Welcome to Audrey channel. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel.
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. What are you going to do today?
Yes, I'm gonna do today.
What? Playmobil. We got a lot of Playmobil. Actually, we got more than 100 bags, but we only opened a few today, right?
Yeah.
So this is what? Playmobil series number 10 and girl figure. Series number 10. Well, actually, we got a lot of other series before. But anyway, you want to open it now or you want to give it away?
Open it.
Hurry up. We're running out of time. We need to go for tea. Afternoon tea. Like the British. The British like afternoon tea.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you like to have for your afternoon tea?
Playing.
You don't want to eat anything?
No.
You want to get a sandwich?
No, nothing. These are much more harder than the Mega Block.
So let's see what we got here. We got a hand, an arm,
I'm pretty sure
a
it's a
broken
girl.
arm.
What?
There's a fat lady. We always got a fat lady.
There's no head.
Where's the head?
She's holding a donut, maybe.
Yeah, this is series 10. See what we got today. Series number 10.
I think we got. I don't think we got anybody from this side. No.
Oh, this girl is this one
No.
or this one. I don't know
There's
which
a
one.
donut.
This one.
Yes. I did not. I can't.
No, you make it wrong. And then you put a hand in first, and then you put the cover right. No. Yes or no? No.
Put the covering. But there's
You got the body.
first.
Where's the head?
I cannot put the hair inside.
It's difficult. It's easy. It's quite easy.
There's a bun on top of her head.
It's easy. But where is the body?
Well,
In the
you
body,
can
see?
make it the ponytail or a bun. You can switch her hairstyle.
Yes.
They got two hair pieces. One it can be a ponytail or it could be a bun. Anyways, I cannot put the bun on, so I'm just gonna leave it as a ponytail. Okay? Where's the head? I want to put the
It's
head
here.
on.
It's on my hand. Yeah.
Now put the hair on.
You put a head first, or what? No, you need to put a. What's
But
this?
I cannot put the bun.
Oh.
I cannot. And this is very loose.
Yeah, you need to put the bun on first.
That's not worth it.
With what?
Worth it.
No, it's done. It's easy piece of cake.
Why is these just serving one donut?
Because you just want to eat. You do like donuts? Everybody like donuts.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a fat lady.
Yeah, it's a fat lady. It's not a fat lady.
Donuts. Which donuts you like? Dunkin' or what?
Dunkin'.
I love Dunkin'. Well, remember to check out your other video when you're eating donuts, right?
She stole the donut. You help me put it on again. Put it on.
2 pieces of donut or just 1 piece?
One piece. That is a plate. It's just move on this side. She got a little skirt.
Yeah. Next time we can show off 100 Playmobil figures.
Yeah, we have 2 boxes of them. This big size.
Oh, the donut run away.
Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.